Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000 and we are going to speak about the highways that were built or are being built by the Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Now, recently an article came out in the newspaper about some of the accomplishments of the JLP since 2016. We're not a political channel, so we're not going to go through that list. But what we're going to go through is the section that spoke about roads and infrastructure. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the roads, the highways that have been built by Andrew Holness since 2016. Now, this road that we're driving on is the first major highway in Jamaica. This is Highway 2000. It was built by P.J. Patterson back in the early 2000s. He built the road from Kingston to Maypen, the highway. This is the highway that we're on. But Andrew Holness, since coming to power in 2016, has built more highways than any other government. He took this road from Maypen and built it to Mandeville. Then he has plans to build it from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. Then from St. Elizabeth to Negril. Then from St. Elizabeth there to Montego Bay. That is Mr. Holness has definitely taken the building of roads in Jamaica to another level. So we are going to go through an article. Since assuming office, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has prioritized road infrastructure as a central pillar of Jamaica's national development strategy. Under his leadership, the government has launched some of the most ambitious and far-reaching highway and road expansion projects in the island's history. These efforts are not only reshaping how Jamaicans move across the country, but also stimulating economic activity, improving rural access, and unlocking new investment opportunities in previously underserved regions. One of the most transformative infrastructure projects advanced under Holness is the Highway 2000 east-west leg, Maypen to Mandeville section. The toll road connects Maypen to Mandeville on the south coast of Jamaica. Equally significant is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, the largest road infrastructure initiative in Jamaican history. Spanning over 100 kilometers, this project links Harbourview in eastern Kingston to Port Antonio in Portland through Mark Bay, St. Thomas. In February 2024, Prime Minister Holness officially opened the first major segment, a modern 17-kilometer four-lane stretch from Harbourview to Yallow's Bridge. This new corridor is already transforming access to St. Thomas, historically one of the island's most underdeveloped parishes. Another major initiative under Holness is the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project, a multi-billion-dollar development launched in July 2022. This project includes a 14.9-kilometer bypass road to divert traffic from the busy city center, a 10.5-kilometer long hill bypass, and major upgrades to Barnett Street and drainage systems. When completed, this project is expected to significantly ease congestion in Montego Bay, the tourism capital of Jamaica, enhancing the city's commercial viability and quality of life for residents and visitors. In 2025, the government broke ground on the Port Antonio bypass, an $81 million investment to improve road access in Portland. This 18-kilometer project is a critical extension of the coastal highway and is expected to bring much-needed economic activity and tourism opportunities to the northeast of the island. It will also help to reduce travel times and improve road safety in a region often affected by poor road conditions and landslides. Beyond these large-scale projects, Prime Minister Holness has also emphasized urban mobility and infrastructure modernization through the Capital Expenditure Program. In mid-2025, the government launched a $30 billion road improvement initiative targeting densely populated areas in Kingston, Portmore, and St. Catherine. This includes widening roads like Hellshire Road, improving drainage and sewage systems, installing sidewalks, and adding fiber optic infrastructure. These works are designed to address long-standing congestion and flooding issues while making urban areas more resilient and livable. Other notable roadworks include upgrades to rural roads in Montego Bay, repairs to the military route between Newcastle and Buff Bay, and modernization of bypass roads in Bogwalk and Linstead. In summary, the road and highway projects executed under Andrew Holness represent a strategic long-term investment in Jamaica's future. These developments are not only reshaping the island's physical landscape, but also enhancing national productivity, regional equity, and economic resilience. Also, the government started the Spark program, which was to fix 2,000 roads, community and rural roads in Jamaica. That project was or is estimated at $45 billion. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.